Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how you can create your USDT trc20 wallet address. In case if you are among those searching for how to create USDT trc20 wallet address, stay with me in this video to the very end. Let me show you step-by-step guide on how you can create your USDT trc20 wallet address. And for those who do not have Trust Wallet, I'm actually going to show you how you can create your Trust Wallet account for depositing your crypto. So all you need to do is just to stay with me in this video and watch me step by step to the very end, so as you're not going to miss any step. So the first thing you need to go now is to go straight to your Trust Wallet. So here in Trust Wallet now, the next thing you're going to do in this place is to click on this place. You can see that drop down menu there. You click on it. So when you click on it now, here are my wallet, my existing wallet. So what you're going to do now is to click on this plus button here. So when you click on it now, you see create new wallet, add existing wallet. For those of you who do not have wallet, Trust Wallet account before, once you download it in Play Store, this is what you are going to see. You will see create new wallet or add existing wallet. So because you do not have Trust Wallet account before, you are going to create a new wallet. And if you already have a wallet address before, or you already have a wallet account before, all you need to do is to add existing wallet if you already have. For the sake of this video, what we'll be doing is that we are going to be creating a new wallet for the newbies to also know how you can create your Trust Wallet account. And to create your USDT trc20 wallet, this is the procedure you also use to create your USDT trc20 wallet address. So the next thing you need to do in this place now is to click on create new wallet. So you click on it now. It will take you to this phase. So if you say backup manually or backup to Google Drive, so you can either choose to backup manually or backup to Google Drive, but for the sake of this video we'll be backing up manually. So you click on backup manually. So in this phase now, you see this secret phrase is the master key to your wallet. Tap on all checkbox to confirm you understand the importance of your secret phrase. So in this place now, you see Trust Wallet does not keep a copy of your secret phrase, which means that if you lose your secret phrase, you have lose your asset. So saving this digitally in plain text is not recommended. Example include screenshots, text files, or emailing yourself. Write down your secret phrase and store it in a secure offline location. So all you have to do now is to check on all of these. So when you check on them now, the next thing you have to do now is to click on continue. So when you click on continue now, it will take you to this phase now. You see these are your secret phrase. So all you have to do now is to copy all these phrases now and save it in a secret place where nobody will have access to it. And whenever you lose this secret phrase, all the funds you have in your wallet will be gone and you cannot recover it. So copy it and save where it will be saved. So after that, you click on continue. So in this phrase you are going to see now, it will ask you for the first phrase, the fourth phrase, the seventh phrase, and the 10th phrase. So all you have to do now is to know the first phrase. The first phrase is chart, the fourth one is shoot, seventh one is flock, and 10th one is admit. So before it will ask you to put all of them in the right order, but Trust Wallet has updated. It will only ask you for the first one, the fourth one, the seventh one, and the 10th one. So that doesn't mean you only feed this one. You are going to copy all of them and save it in the right order which they are written here. So when you are done now, you click on continue. So when you are done now, you see welcome aboard. Your wallet is now ready to use. Dive in and start your crypto journey. Stay secure. So you see you can start using Trust Wallet now. So you click on start using. So in this place now, you have successfully created your wallet address. And since you are looking for a way to create USDT trc20 wallet address, all you have to do now is come to this place and search for USDT. So you're going to see this is Ethereum USDT, this is Tron USDT, which is Theta. This is one you are going to choose if you want to fund your wallet. As you can see, this is trc20 wallet address. So if you want to fund it now, what you're going to do is to click on receive. So in this place now, you are going to copy your wallet address. You click on copy to copy, or you want to deposit directly from your exchange. So you click here if you want to deposit directly from exchange. So you click on deposit from exchange, and you can see Binance here. If you want to deposit directly from Binance, you click on deposit. It will take you straight to Binance. As you can see it now, it has taken us straight to Binance. So in this place now, you're going to enter the amount of USDT you want to send. So the wallet address has automatically been updated here since you are depositing directly from Binance. So you put the amount of USDT you want to send from here now and click on confirm. Once you put the amount and click on confirm, you can see it's trc20. So your USDT trc20 now will be transferred directly to your Trust wallet. And if you don't want to use that method, you can just copy your wallet address and go straight to any of the exchanges and transfer it directly to your Trust wallet. Let's say you want to transfer it, you don't want to follow that procedure, you want to transfer straight, you come to Binance. This is Binance. Come to your wallet, you click on wallet here. So when you come to wallet now, you want to recharge your USDT trc20 wallet. What you have to do here is to click on withdraw. So you're going to see Theta US. So you click on send via crypto network. So in this place now, you're going to paste your address. So here you select the network. So you're sending to trc20 wallet. So you click on trc20 wallet. So in this place now, you're going to put the amount of USDT you want to send. So once you put the amount of USDT you want to send, now you click on withdraw, and it will be transferred directly to your USDT trc20 wallet address in your Trust wallet. So guys, I believe you find value in this video. If you really do, feel free to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel so that you will always be the first to be notified whenever I upload awesome content like this.